Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ban Kyntiew ya kajing lekai ke bapau nam tam hakani ke perthai hi Brockway. Kata kajing lekai football. Hakani ke Kyntiew ke Sorkar Meghalaya ke lawan ra ke projek ke Batmai. Ban Kyntiew ya kirangi lekai ke jila hakani kajing lekai. Bat yakani ke projek latip kum commission football. Yakani ke projek ban Kyntiew kajing lekai football hakani ke jila. Lasdang ban mai phang. Nadu ke arpu artadek mentau benai naitung. Ya ke bala pelepat ba do menteri rang ba ke jela u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. Ha ke jelang ke belalong ha JN Stadium Polo Shillong. Kat kum katong jong ni projek ke baka Sorkar ke Mang kerpang ru ke pisa ke ban kot hadu san spa andrup ho Klur tingka. Kalong ban penbet penbiang hi kijing don kam ha borok khatwai tili ke district jong ke jela. Ban sei bat penpau perthai ke sap jong kirang ilek kai football na kani ke jela. Na kani ke pisa san spa andrup ho Klur tingka lamang bansna yaki khatsau spa tili ki madan ilek kai ha borok ke district jong ke jela. Nang ta bansna ya ke wei ke stadium ke bakarpang bat ke bapaka tang na ke benta kani ke jilek kai. Ke balamang pisaro iwei point san Klur tingka. Bat prateli ki wei de ki marani lek kai football. Ki wei de ki jing pelot nak ni ke pisa kan long ke jing thau ya sipau teli ki caka aje kai ha kan ni ke jilek kai ha ke wei ke district ha ke baro kin long sispa sipau teli.
I should say people from all walks of life have a special fond of getting associated with footballing activities. In other words, the passion about football in the state of Meghalaya is something which we need to leverage upon and take advantage of and utilize it as our inherent strength to ultimately promote and develop Meghalaya as the football powerhouse for the nation. So that is the overall vision of the state, and based on this vision the mission document has been formatted. This whole exercise has taken quite some time because there has been long due diligence on various potentialities, strengths, and the way forward as to how, if this mission is launched, then how it can actually enable us to achieve this whole objective of transforming the state, promoting the state, developing the state as the football powerhouse for the nation. This whole intent for promoting football through this mission mode intervention is born out of the fact that our nation, in spite of having over a billion population, we are yet to be able to have a team which can be called as competent enough, good enough to actually make our nation participate in World Cup, Football World Cup. So this humble initiative will definitely not only enable us to look at nurturing the talents of our own state, but it will ultimately also create an enabling environment for other potential aspiring footballers to come to Meghalaya, associate with our youth, and ultimately make Meghalaya as a destination for various activities related to football. So this program includes number of initiatives, number of components rather. It will, under the whole vision, this exercise will require lots of investment, which will be for new football infrastructure and for upgrading the existing infrastructure. As you all are aware, over the years, we have made humble effort to actually create some infrastructure which may not be enough to actually meet the requirements of really promoting football, but the existing infrastructure are available. So one particular component of investment is to upgrade the existing infrastructure.
Sibenta ka jing sedang yakani ke mission football. Hakani ke sing sedang yakani ke projek la perlong ru ya ke jilek kai pen inam ke bakarpang syaki pajba. Ke belalong hapadang ke kenhon ilek kai jong kari India, but ke North East. Ne ke kenhon jong kirang ilek kai jong ne ke than chite lemingi. Ke bela pelim no ya ke India da argo la not.
What he is the team is pushing forward, that's the strategy for now. But of course, the team from Klur.
Walk straight through hell with a smile. You can be the hero, you can be the goat. Looking on the records in your neck and never broke. Do it for your people, do it for your pride. How you never know that you never gotta try. Do it for your country, do it for your name. There's gonna be a day.